So if you've been involved in the digital product space for any amount of time, you would already know that there's a few different types of products that are out there that you can sell. For example, we've got things like digital planners, ebooks, video info products, the list goes on and on. But one of the most underrated that most people don't believe works is selling simple Excel or Google spreadsheets. Now I know you're probably thinking right now, Sam, do people really buy spreadsheets? And the answer to that is yes. And with the help of Digital Maker AI, I've been able to find 5 different stores that are selling different Excel and Google Sheets. I've been able to see the estimated revenue for each store, the ways that they're able to get traffic, and the different types of spreadsheets that they're selling. And in this video, I want to show you each of these different stores, show you exactly what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, so that you know exactly what you can do and how you can replicate them. If you're looking to also sell a digital product like a spreadsheet, even if you're not and you're looking to sell a different type, you're still going to get a lot of information out of this video. So let's jump straight into one of the first stores that I'm going to break down. And before I get into it, I just want to quickly say that I've got no affiliation with this store or the 5 different stores that I'm going to show you in today's video. Again, I was able to find them using the Digital Maker AI app. And I'm also going to show you how you can go away and find different stores in whatever niche that you're thinking about going into. But yeah, here we have it. This is the store. Straight away, I'm sure that you guys can see that this is a well-structured store, well-designed, and instantly when people land on it, they're going to automatically know that they're on a site that is focused on selling these different spreadsheet templates. So yeah, the branding, the way that they've put it together is definitely amazing. But to quickly show you exactly how I was able to see if they are doing well or not, and also double check their estimated revenue, it simply comes down to copying their URL and then making my way over to Digital Maker AI. On the left hand side, you're going to see the competitor analyzer tab. All you need to do is just click into it, enter the URL just like that, and then click on analyze. And what it should come back with is all of this data that you can see on the screen. So it's going to let us know the estimated traffic, how many different products they've got listed, the average price that they're selling it for, as well as the estimated monthly sales. So the reason why this is really helpful because straight away we can also see how they're getting traffic. So this store isn't using any type of Google ad, but in fact they're using meta ads. And they've got around 70 different active ads at the moment where they're targeting people on both Facebook and Instagram. So for those of you that were thinking, Sam, there's no way that you can build a store selling spreadsheets and see any type of success, I'm sure that you're taking that back now because of what you can see on the screen. But yeah, if we just go back onto their site, there's one key thing that I want to point out that I noticed that they're doing that I believe every single one of you should also be doing as well, which is the fact that they are using email marketing. And the reason why I say that is because if you spend a few seconds on the homepage and it starts to see that you're about to click off, what's going to happen is that a pop-up like this is going to appear. And the reason why this is a really powerful thing is because number one, they're offering the person a 20% discount code. Because they're selling a digital product that naturally comes with higher margins, this is not really going to affect their bottom line. And second to that, they're also asking for the person's email address as well. And what happens is that once I give them my email address, they're going to give me that 20% discount code, but I'm automatically going to be entered into an email list, which means that the person that owns this website is going to be able to market to me continuously in the future and probably make me a returning customer. So my recommendation is to always make sure that you've got some sort of email pop-up on your website similar to what they're doing. And the way that this could be done is with a company called Omnisend. Now, Omnisend is probably one of the best e-commerce email marketing platforms that you can use. And this is for a number of different reasons. The first one is that it's free for you to get started with. You don't need to make any payment if you want to try them out and connect them to your digital product store. And even if you're currently using a different email marketing platform and you want to switch over, you can do that with their migration. This is free of charge for any paid user and it just takes around 5 days depending on how big your email list is. And I'd say another benefit to using them is the ease of getting started. So let's say if I wanted to use them for a demonstration store that I just built, which is this one over here. So this is a example store that I built that is also going to list these different types of spreadsheets. The way that I was able to build it was by using the website maker within Digital Maker AI. It works in such a simple way. All you need to do is select what type of digital product you want to sell. It's going to take you through a couple of different questions. From there, you're going to gain access to your Shopify store and it's going to be completely custom. But now that I've got this store set up, I've also got the digital product available right here. The next thing that I would always recommend that you do ASAP once you get to this point is to set up your email marketing. And to do that, it's actually quite simple, because once you're on this page over here, I'm going to leave it linked down below. Again, it's free to use, OmniSend. All you need to do is just click on Start Now. Then all you need to do is just enter your store URL and then click on Login. And then once you've logged in and you're ready to set up your first pop-up that's going to appear on your website, what you need to do is just go over to the form templates. As we can see, there's all of these different options to choose from, but I'm just going to pick a random one. Let me pick something simple for now. Let's go with this one. What it's going to do is come back with this template that we can adjust or customize in whatever way that we want. So if I want to offer, let's say, a 20% discount, I can change the text. If I also want to collect the person's first name, I could just put that in there just like that. I can take away the label. I can also add, let's say, SMS as well if I wanted to, but of course, I'm just going to leave it as it is. There's a lot of flexibility if you're looking to use OmniSend. I'm not going to spend too much time breaking down this side of things in this video, because I've got a full length course coming out real soon where I'm going to be able to spend a lot more time. But even still, it's very simplistic to use. It's not complicated. They've done a good job of ensuring that even a beginner can log in and start using it straight away. The main thing that I'm going to do is just update the color of this button so that it matches the overall color scheme of the site that I built. So I'm just going to change this to green just like that. And I'm also going to change the text on the button just like this so that it matches the 20%. And I'll say that it looks pretty decent for now. I'm just going to click on enable form. And if I go back over to the site that I built, as you can see, the pop-up now appears. So all of this is done automatically. As long as you enable it within OmniSend, you should see it on your homepage or wherever you want it to be placed. And then, of course, when someone now sees this, they can enter their first name, email address, and they're going to be automatically added into my email list, which I can view in my OmniSend account. With OmniSend, you can do so many different things. You can set up a welcome series so that when someone does give you their email, they're going to get entered into an email automation. You can also set up marketing campaigns. The list goes on and on. And that's the reason why they're trusted by over 150,000 brands worldwide. I do have more videos coming out about OmniSend over the next few days, over the next few weeks, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss them. But if you did want to check them out, I'm going to leave a direct link down below. You can sign up for free, but if you wanted to upgrade, there's going to be that link that's going to give you that 30% off for the first 3 months. But swiftly moving on to one of the second stores that I've been able to find that's also selling these different Excel and Google Sheets, which is the one that you can see on the screen right now. So as you can see, this one is a little bit more professional looking, and the main reason for that is because they're targeting business owners. This is another site that's done an amazing job of being able to get thousands of customers going to them on a monthly basis. And if we just get their URL and just put it into the competitor analyzer tool, straight away I can see that the main way that this site has been able to get traffic is through organic methods. So they're not running any Meta ads. They're also not running any Google ads. They succeeded at getting these estimated daily earnings mainly because they are focused on SEO, which is search engine optimization. And the reason why I know that is because if we just go back over to them, scroll down to the bottom, right there, we can see that they've got a blog link. If I just click into it, one thing that this site is doing really well is that they're publishing blog articles on a regular basis, and they're consistent with it as well. I believe they're posting a brand new blog article every single day. And the reason why this is a smart thing to do is because people are going onto Google all the time, searching for things like Google Sheets, Excel spreadsheets, and because they've kind of targeted their articles in a way where they can reach these people, they're of course now going to be able to promote the different products that they've got available. And being able to set up an automated blog isn't a difficult thing to do as long as you know how to use AI in the right way. The way that I like to automate the different blog articles that I'm posting across all of my different websites, all of my different businesses, is with the help of make.com. Make.com can help you automate so many different things. E.g., if you wanted to automate blog articles on the Shopify store that you've just built, it's going to come down to doing 4 simple things. Number 1, setting up a Google Sheet with all of the different blog article titles. Number 2, connecting it to some sort of AI tool. I recommend using Claude. Number 3, using some sort of AI image tool so that you can instantly generate an image that's going to go onto the main cover of your article. And then number 4, connecting all of that to your Shopify account, which could be done directly within make.com. The reason why this is worth doing is because once you've set it up, you're not going to have to continuously keep going back there, and making adjustments to it, it's going to run in the background, automatically publishing articles on your behalf. But moving on to the third store that I was able to find using Digital Maker AI that's also selling spreadsheets, which is this one. So as you can see, again, very simple spreadsheet store focused on these different budget templates, regular spreadsheets that people are actively searching for. And if we just take their URL, put it into the competitor analyzer tool, we can see that the main way that they're able to get their traffic is through meta ads. They've got over 57 active ads at the moment. Which brings me on to one of the main things that I noticed that they're doing really well, which is the way that they've been able to set up all of their different ad campaigns. And even if you're someone that doesn't care to run ads and you'd rather focus on organic traffic, there's still something to learn, because if I just go over to the ad library and paste their URL in here as well and then click on search, what this is going to do is that it's going to come back with all of the different ads that are being sent to the link that I've just typed in. So we can see that they're running ads on their regular Facebook account with the brand name right there. But they're also running ads on these accounts as well. So if I just click into this link over here, what's going to happen is that it's going to take me directly to the product page. So I'd say that the main thing that we can learn from a store like this is to not necessarily give up at the first obstacle with the ads that you're running. Whether you're running Instagram, Facebook, TikTok ads, whatever it is, the first creative might not work, the second one might not work, but it's all about trial and error and just iterating things here and there until you find that winning video. And if you wanted me to make a step-by-step video breaking down how to get started with meta ads as a complete beginner that's never done it before, maybe walking you through the initial thing that you need to do to set up your Facebook ad account, to eventually being able to set up your campaign and how to do things in a way where you can even run a $5 per day ad campaign, just put in the comments down below, do the meta ad video and your specific location, and I'll be sure to get onto that video ASAP. But let's move on to the fourth store that I was able to find. And they're doing something quite interesting that I've never seen before, and it's probably contributing to their success, because if I just go over here to shop, we can see that they've got all of these different spreadsheets available. So they've built multiple different spreadsheets targeting various different things that people are searching for on the internet. And by the way, guys, if you didn't know, you can actually build a spreadsheet that you can sell using Digital Maker AI as well. This is something that I forgot to mention, but within the product maker, you can actually click into this, enter what type of spreadsheet you want to build. Everything has already been pre-programmed on the back end. So the spreadsheet that you're going to get back is going to be of the same quality, if not better, than the stores that I'm showing you. So this is going to save so much time, because with this one, you can build multiple different spreadsheets based on different topics. Whatever niche you're in, you can come back on here and just build various different spreadsheets over and over again. But yeah, with this site, as we can see, they've got all of these different options available. But the thing that they're doing different, because a lot of people have all of these single products available that people can purchase, and you could just add all of them to your cart. But they've got this option over here that says build your bundle. And what this is going to do is give the user a automatic discount. So the way that things normally work is that you would need to add the products to your basket, and then maybe you can get a discount using a coupon code. But they've set it up in a way where people are going to be more inclined to buy multiple different products, because as you can see right here, they're letting people know exactly how much of a discount they're going to get. For example, if I wanted this one, let's say this one, and this one, by the way, I'm just picking random ones and then add it to my cart. As you can see, there's going to be a discount already applied. So yeah, I thought that was a really cool thing, because I've never seen a site do this before, and I didn't even know that this was a thing. But this now brings me on to one of the final stores that I want to show you, which is this one. I actually made a video about it not too long ago. I did a full breakdown on this store, just going through a lot of the things that I noticed that they're doing really, really well. If we just take a look at the URL, let's go over to the competitor analyzer tool. This store is doing a decent amount, I'm sure that you guys can agree, and this is based off only 35 different products that they've got available. So the way that they're getting traffic, once again, is with meta ads. This is something I've noticed with various different types of digital product stores, whether it's ebooks, digital planners, apps. A lot of stores right now are using meta ads, and it seems to be working. The intention of today's video was to show you different stores that are selling products that you probably didn't think were doing well, And it's not just one, it's not just two, there's multiple different stores available. I only showed you the top 5 that I found, but there's still so many out there. And my goal for 2026 is that anyone out there that is thinking about starting a digital product store, but maybe you're procrastinating, maybe you feel like it's not going to work for you, I want you to know that if you're able to take action, you're able to try, you might also be in a similar position like all of these different stores. As long as you're educating yourself on what you need to do and how you need to do it, that's going to be the first step. And the way that you can educate yourself, if you just go over to Digital Maker AI on the left hand side, you're going to see this new tab called tutorial. This free tutorial was added earlier today, and it's going to take you through a lot of the things that you need to know, generally speaking, if you're looking to set up a digital product store, whether that's building your store, doing research on competitors, finding winning product ideas, being able to build the best prompts possible, building your website step by step. I briefly touched on that in this video, but in this lesson, you're going to see in and out exactly how to do it if you're a beginner that's never set up your store before. So yeah, this is definitely going to help out a lot of people. And if you wanted to access this free tutorial, it's going to be linked in the description down below. But yeah, if you want to know what this site has done really well for them to generate the sales that they've generated, I'm going to leave a video on the screen right there. I made that maybe 3 days ago, maybe 2 days ago, where I go through 5 things that I noticed with the site that on the surface you may not notice, but it's only until you know exactly what to look out for. So be sure to click that link, check that out straight after this because that video has already helped out so many people. Don't forget to check out OmniSend as well. I'm going to leave them linked in the description if you're looking to get started with email marketing, which is something that everyone should do. But other than that, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.